Okay, now that we know that we're going to be dealing with a base of e raised to some power, and then the natural log of x, which is really just log base e of x, we're going to deal with how do we use these, where can we use these two functions in some problems today. So first thing that we need to do is, since we're still dealing with exponential and logarithmic functions, we need to be able to convert between the two forms again. So this goes right back. We just talked about this in the previous video, what the functions look like. We mostly focused on this picture right here, where we had e to the x, and then we had natural log of x and how they were inverses over y equals x. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look at converting between the two forms. So I got 4 problems here that we're essentially just going to rewrite them from exponential to log form. And if you need to, you can take more than one step in order to do this. I'll do the same. I'm going to take more than one step. So somewhere you should have your conversions, what that looks like. So we're going to say we have a log base e of 8 should equal x. Okay, just going from exponential to a log form. Remember, logarithms mean what is the exponent. So x, my exponent, should be by itself. The only thing is that I don't want to keep it in this form. We have another way of writing log base e that's better. So we're going to say it's the natural log of 8 that would equal x. This is the one I'm looking for. But again, some of you might need to write this one first in order to get to this second one. Okay, let's try another one. We can do the same thing. Log base e of x now equals 5. We'll do the same thing. I want to convert log base e. That's the same thing as the natural log of x equals 5. Okay, a couple more. We can do them all. Be all right. Log base e. Notice how they're all base e's right now. Of 9 equals x. Still convert. Natural log of e. Or, excuse me, I don't need natural log of e. Natural log of 9 equals x. And then last one, we can do this. Log base e of x equals 7. And then convert it. Natural log of x equals 7. Okay, so that's going from exponential to a log. We can do the same thing going backwards, though. We can start as a natural log and then convert it to exponential. I think this way maybe just a little bit easier. So if I'm dealing with natural log of x is approximately 0.7741, we're going to take that and convert it from logarithmic to exponential. So since I have natural log, natural base is e. So we're going to say e to the 0.7741 is equal to x. Natural log still means what is the exponent. Doesn't matter if I write log base e or natural log. I'm still asking you to find an exponent. And then letter B, natural log of 10 equals x. Again, the natural base for natural log is e. So e to the exponent x equals 10. So that's just converting between either exponential to a log or a log to exponential again.